Good morning everybody and welcome back to the channel. You join me on another glorious March day this time, and today we're in Abergavenny, come to do Abergavenny Castle because I did drone it before, but I've come back with the proper camera to show you, and I'll put a map in now exactly where we are. Let me just turn you around and show you the castle from where I just flew the drone. Unfortunately this one is a lot of ruins, but as usual I'll put down in the description all the information about it. So let's take you inside. This is the main entrance. I don't know if this is a private house by here, I assume so, but it is in the castle grounds, right by the entrance. And that there is how the gatehouse used to look. And of course you can pause and read the information if you like. As you can tell so far, much of the castle is sadly gone. I didn't come in here the last time I visited, but I have seen recently in Pinned on Places video that in that building right by there is actually a museum. So we will be going inside that this time to show you. Now that must have been a blooming big tree. Wow, an absolutely magnificent castle. Small but beautiful. And of course, yet again, if you want to pause to read the write-up. just behind me by here are the castle cellars. And of course, you can read that if you so wish. I'd love to be able to get down inside here and have a look at what's left. Well, just look at how that would have been. You'd never imagine to see what's left here, that it would look like that. It's a pretty little hideaway around the backside, around by here. Unfortunately, there's no leaves yet. They're only just starting to bud. There's some leaves. I imagine they bring kids around here to sit down and have their lunch. Little mazes. And like a little teepee. Yeah, it's gotta be where they bring the kids on their school trips. So I'll take you up inside the museum now in a minute. Right, let's get you up inside that museum and see what they got inside, shall we? It's a beautiful little building in the middle. It's a lovely view of the Blorenge from here too, which is that mountain in the distance. I'll zoom in a bit for you now by here for that. Which brings us around to the entrance of the museum. It's a very pretty ornate tea set.
Can you imagine it being this if we were in
Don't forget to press the button. And just by here on the bottom floor we got a representation of an old shop. Not very colourful like today's shelves. Abergavenny Castle was much better than I thought it was going to be from the last time I saw it with the drone. It was an amazing little museum that I just showed you. So let me know what you thought about it down below. So please like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye for now.